All right, thanks for joining. This is going to be a brief video on installing ArcGIS Pro SDK. What you're looking at here is the ArcGIS Pro documentation and resources page found at pro.arcgis.com. And to get to the ArcGIS Pro SDK information, just come on over to the SDK tab. And you're looking at a page now that looks very similar to the Pro page and has a similar layout with some shortcuts here right at the top. Installation shortcut right here, we're going to come back to that. And it's got links to the 5 Pro SDK dev labs we have. We're going to have more dev labs available this year. Quick links to the key concept documents. These are the Pro concepts on the documentation wiki. There's links to the Pro SDK GeoNet group, links to some of the videos that are online from technical workshops at the Dev Summit, and some of the links to our latest blogs. All right, so we're going to come on over here to the installation link, and here you're looking at the ProGuide for installation and upgrade. Right at the top, we're going to click first link, and this is the walkthrough for installing the Pro SDK from the Visual Studio Marketplace. And this is the recommended approach for installing the Pro SDK, which we'll walk through. You can also install the Pro SDK by pulling down Visix files from MyEsri for your organization. But this is probably the easiest way, going through the Visual Studio Marketplace. So first, of course, to install from the Marketplace, you'll need Visual Studio. If you do not have Visual Studio yet, you can go to visualstudio.com, and then right here you can download one of the 3 editions of Visual Studio for Windows. And the Community Edition will work fine for the Pro SDK. Okay, so let's open up Visual Studio here. And to install it from the Visual Studio Marketplace, just go to Tools, Extensions and Updates, and here Online we'll click, and here's the Visual Studio Marketplace. We'll do a search here just on simply ArcGIS, and at the top you'll see ArcGIS Pro SDK for .NET, and this is the latest version. This is for 2.1. It's build 10257. Okay, so we're going to download those. And as you download them, it's waiting until Pro actually is restarted to actually do the installation. So we're going to close Visual Studio now, and it will do the installations of the Visix files, those 2. Okay, we're all set, we're installed. Let's open up Visual Studio again. Okay, so here's Visual Studio. Let's go take a look at our installation, confirm everything got in okay. Here's the Pro SDK for .NET. And over on the right here you can see it's 2.1, there's build 10257. Okay, automatically update this extension. This you want to uncheck, because if you did have it checked, this would be putting you in a situation where potentially you're getting a newer version of the Pro SDK than your version of Pro. And that will create a problem, and you will not be able to build add-ins in that situation. So you'll want to uncheck that just in case your Pro version, again, is not as up-to-date as your Pro SDK. So you'll want to uncheck that for both of those installs. And you're good to go. And try it out. Just go to New, Project, Pro Add-ins, and there's your template, project template for your add-ins, and your project template for solution configurations. All right, you're good to go. Thanks for joining.